This pandemic is hitting truck drivers hard. A new study from a University of Houston downtown professor is now shedding light on what they're going through. That professor was actually a truck driver himself. Here's Anayeli Ruiz.
While the entire country was shut down because of the pandemic, one group has kept our country moving: truck drivers. They've been transporting goods and even medical equipment across our country.
Now more than ever, we need to bring attention to this because we're really seeing how important they are to everyone, our health and safety.
That is why University of Houston downtown professor Michael Lemke recently did a study on truck drivers and the impact they face during the pandemic. See, Professor Lemke used to be a truck driver himself.
When I was 21, I actually went into training and became an over-the-road truck driver.
He knows firsthand the issues they face every day on the road, and he wanted to make sure that through his research he could bring awareness to what he says is an extremely vulnerable and forgotten group of people.
It's an obesogenic profession. Drivers, they aren't able to eat well on the road. They aren't able to get exercise. They have extremely high rates of stress on the roads.
And because of the health issues they already face, he fears many might not be getting the care they need. One local trucking company, Diden Logistics, says their drivers even faced issues while just trying to rest during this pandemic.
Some states close the rest areas to drivers, and they have a limited amount of time to drive each day, and they have to shut down for 10 hours.
On top of all of that, the American Trucking Association says there's already a shortage in drivers. And because of that shortage, the professor believes more attention needs to be given to truck drivers to make sure our goods keep getting delivered.
Very basic testing, treatment, but we also need more long-term primary prevention-focused strategies.
If you would like to read his study, you can head to our website for those details. Anayeli Ruiz, KHOU 11 News.